Hello dear friends, myself Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bokardar, District Jalna. Today we will see General Electronics, Semester 4, Course Code PHY 205, Paper 11. Now today's contents are non-inverting amplifiers and application of operational amplifiers. Now in previous lecture we discussed about definition of operational amplifier. The operational amplifier are the groups of amplifiers which performs number of operations like amplification of signal, the addition of signal, the multiplication and division of signal. In addition, with the AC signal, these amplifiers amplify the DC signal also. Due to various applications, these commonly known as operational amplifiers and shortly they are abbreviated as operational amplifier. Also, we discuss about the four blocks of operational amplifiers. First block is first differential amplifier. Second, that is differential amplifier. And third block, the DC level shifter. And fourth is output stage. Now, we also see that is symbol of operational amplifier. The symbol of operational amplifier is just like a triangle pointing towards the output terminal. The operational amplifier has two inputs, out of which one is marked with plus sign and other is marked with negative sign. The plus sign input is called as non-inverting input and minus sign input terminal is called as inverting input. A signal applied to the plus input will be appear in the same phase at the output. Therefore, that input terminal called as non-inverting input. On the other hand, a signal applied to the minus sign input will be shifted in phase 180 degree at the output. That's why called as inverting input. Also we discussed about the characteristic. There are number of characteristics like an infinite open loop voltage gain, the infinite input resistance and the infinite input resistance result in zero input current and zero output offset voltage, etc. Now also we discuss about operational amplifier in inverting amplifier. That is also we see about the operational amplifier are basically high gain amplifiers. Now we discuss non-inverting amplifier. Non-inverting amplifier, the inverting amplifier circuit is the one commonly used in circuitry because it has better frequency stability. To use operational amplifier as an amplifier, the feedback is always provided to inverting terminal only. If the feedback is provided to non-inverting terminal, the operational amplifier works as an oscillator. The operational amplifier can be used as a non-inverting amplifier with feedback provide to inverting terminal is shown in figure. Now see in figure, the input voltage Vi is applied at one terminal and output voltage V0 is taken at three terminal. At 2 terminal, a differential input voltage is measured as Vi minus Vf, where Vf is the feedback voltage developed across R1 and is given by Vf equal to R1 upon R1 plus Rf into V0. The internal gain of the amplifier from 2 terminal to 3 terminal is A equal to V0 upon Vi minus Vf. That is V0 equal to A into Vi minus Vf. Now substitute the value of Vf from equation 1 into equation 2. We get V0 equal to A into Vi minus R1 upon R1 plus Rf into V0. Therefore, V0 equal to A Vi minus A into R1 upon R1 plus Rf into V0. Therefore, AVI equal to V0 plus A into R1 upon R1 plus Rf into V0. Therefore, AVI equal to V0 into 1 plus AR1 upon R1 plus Rf. So, that is V0 upon Vi equal to A upon 1 plus R1A upon R1 plus Rf. The gain of operational amplifier 1 terminal to 3 terminal is the gain with feedback and it is denoted by A dash. Therefore, A dash equal to V0 upon Vi. Substitute this in equation 3, we get A dash equal to A upon 1 plus R1A upon R1 plus Rf. Now divide numerator and denominator by A, we get A dash equal to 1 upon A plus R1 upon R1 plus Rf. The internal gain of the amplifier A is very large in the order of 10 raised to 6. Therefore, 1 upon A is very small as compared with R1 upon R1 plus Rf. Therefore, 1 upon A is neglected from equation 5. We get A dash equal to 1 upon R1 upon R1 plus Rf, that is equal to R1 plus Rf upon R1. Therefore, gain equal to A dash equal to 1 plus Rf upon R1. This equation shows that the phase of the input and output are same. That is, there is no inversion of phase in between input and output. Therefore, this amplifier is known as non-inverting amplifier. The output voltage is given by V0 upon Vi equal to 1 plus Rf upon R1. That is V0 equal to Vi into 1 plus RF upon RI. Equation 6 and 7 indicate that the output voltage is dependent only on the ratio of RF and RI, and also the gain is dependent only on the value of these resistors. Now see application of operational amplifiers. An operational amplifier can be used to perform various mathematical operations. Some of these applications are: first, unit gain buffer or voltage follower; second, inverting adder; third, subtractor; fourth, integrator; and five, differentiator. Instead of these applications, the operational amplifiers are used as comparator, logarithmic amplifier, anti-logarithmic amplifier, active filters like low pass and high pass, etc. The operational amplifier can be used in RC and LC oscillator circuit. Further, these operational amplifiers are used as multi-vibrator like astable, monostable and bistable multi-vibrators. Thank you.